Chromebook has served us pretty well. You can tell by certain indicators. Our battery life doesn't last all day anymore, which puts students in a position where they can't access the resources. The textbooks are all online now. The assignments, of course.
Continue.
They're very slow. This is part of the login process, kind of a performance issue. When they log into the device, they're slower because they're 5 years old. The login process takes quite a while, talking 3 to 5 minutes, but you multiply that times 20 to 30 students.
So far this year, just getting our beginning of the year testing done, the Chromebooks were not connecting, and it actually threw us off almost an entire week.
We've seen a spike in hardware failures this last school year especially. We're at a point where next year we're going to have a real problem supplying all the Chromebooks. Prop C funds the cost of student devices. Security items include upgraded door security and new PA systems for various campuses. Early voting is October 20th through October 31st. Election Day is Tuesday, November 4th. Please go out and vote.